This tutorial will explain step-by-step instructions on how to create a Google Plus page for a business, product, or brand, company, or organization using the new Google Plus social network. First, in order to create a Google Plus page, you must make sure that you have a Google Plus account, which is now free and open to anyone to have. Once you've already created your Google Plus page, you're going to go to the following URL, plus.google.com/pages/create, and once again, make sure that you are logged into your Google Plus account. From here, you can choose whether or not you want to create a local business or place, product or brand, company, institution, organization, arts, entertainment, or sports, or other. In this case, we're going to create a company for Website School. Our page name is going to be Website School. Here you can decide whether or not you want to put in a website. In this case, we're going to. Be sure to include the full URL, including the http:// and your www. Next, we're going to select a category. For Website School, instead of choosing consulting and business services, I feel that this is more of an education in schools. But as you can see, there's many different options. And if you don't find the category that fits your company, then perhaps try looking under product or brand or local business or place, and you might see something that's a little bit more related. So in this case, we're going to choose education in schools. Your page will be publicly visible and its content is appropriate for, in this case, I'm going to choose any Google Plus user. Whether your content is 18 and older, 21 and older, or alcohol related, you can choose from this drop-down who it's displayed for. In this case, education is for everybody, so this is for any Google Plus user. Here you can check whether or not you want to be informed of future page releases or other relevant information, and here you agree to the page terms and service. If you haven't read these, I would encourage you to read them, as public privacy and terms are always important to read before creating information and throwing it out for the internet to consume. Once we're done here, we're going to click the Create button. Now our page has been created, and it's time to choose a tagline. You're going to use 10 words that describe your page best. Maybe the services that you provide, where you're located, or something that gives a short and brief description of what your company is about. Maybe your mission statement line or something of that nature. In this case, we're going to choose training in web development, WordPress, social media, and search. After this, we can select our profile photo right here. In this case, we're going to skip this step. After you click the Continue button, it's going to tell you to share this information on your Google Plus page. You can type something in the box right here and share this information on Google Plus. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to choose to skip this. So go ahead and click the blue Finish button and you should be good to go. Google has always been really good about explaining how their products work and making it really simple to understand their products. So in this case, you should be able to find your way around. It says right here you can use this menu to change whether you're acting as your Google page yourself, so okay, I've got it. So I can click this little tab and choose Ambition Insight, which is another business of mine, myself, or Website School. So here's my homepage of Website School. As we know, we haven't added a profile photo, but we can start sharing our information right here, choosing whether or not it's public, and all of this Google Plus information will be shared in another tutorial. But this is how you create a website. This is how you create a page on Google Plus.